Hi Gemini, these are your general collective messages from January 2022 to June 2022. These are general and collective, so please take what resonates, leave what doesn't. If you feel like this reading is not making sense to you, it's probably not your message at this time. So please don't force it to resonate. Okay, so we look at one theme, so that'll be something that'll be either in your life over the next 6 months prevalent, or it'll come in and out. Then we look at one thing you want to actively work on. We'll get oracle cards for your present energy, what blessings you have, what you might struggle with, and how you may potentially close half the year, which is till June 2022. And then I'll do clarifiers with the tarot as well, okay? Let's get started. One theme for Gemini from Jan 2022 till June 2022. Humanity, Flannery O'Connor. Can you see? So this is your theme, Gemini. I feel the focus for you is going to be about raising your standards, raising the standards of humanity, having a more humane approach to the things that you do, bringing in more of a humane approach uh, to projects that you may undertake or interactions that you may have, right? Also just getting a deeper understanding of what it is to have a human experience. So I feel like anything that you do in the next 6 months, also Gemini, is going to be a step towards uplifting humanity, towards raising the whole of humanity. Okay, so it's a great theme to have. It's a great theme to be in a state of consciousness about. A human may not necessarily be humane, okay, and humanity is about understanding that. So I think it's a great theme to have, to understand that just by being a human being does not make you a humane person, does not mean you're contributing to humanity, to the collectiveness, right? So I feel like that is something you're also going to be discovering over the next 6 months, Gemini. So beautiful theme to have. Okay, let's look at one thing you want to actively work on. Integrity. Lovely. Gemini, work on this. And with humanity, imagine that now. They're so tied in together. Okay, so I feel like also, practice integrity, practice alignment in what you think, what you feel, what you do, and what you say. Okay, make sure that it's all integrated, make sure that it's all aligned. So work on that over the next 6 months, Gemini, for you. All right. Also, do things, whatever it is that you're doing. This got number 17 on it, so 8 might be a number of significance for you. So do things, whatever it is that you're doing, do things from a place of authenticity, genuinity, purity. Okay, that automatically will ensure that you're integrated, that you're whole. Okay, don't be split, because Gemini, you can be that. You can be split. You can be two different personalities, all right? And so therefore, that work with that, integrate both your personalities so that you may emerge as a blessing to humanity, okay? Because you have that power, Gemini. Okay, let's get started with oracle cards. We'll look at what is your energy going to be over the next 6 months. I'll take the first one that flew out. Sharp wood. Your energy. Getting hard to work. Hard at work. Okay, so I feel like your energy is going to be very, very focused, very driven. Also, where there is a chance to, I feel like you will also take up physical work if it's possible. Yeah, so work with your hands. At least you want to immerse yourself in that, and that's your energy, so that's great. The other thing is also that I feel you're going to be very, very focused in terms of what you want to accomplish over the next 6 months at least, and you'll work hard, in to achieve that. You'll work hard, you'll stay grounded, you'll put your head down and get the work done. That's your energy, so that's great energy to be in. That also will help you to stay in a place of integrity. Okay, Gemini, let's look at one blessing you may have. Time for a nap. Blessing. I think in between all of this hard work, Gemini, 6 could be a significant number for you, Gemini. You've got 42 and 24 now. Yeah, both add up to 6. So 6 could be a significant number for you. Okay, time for a nap. I feel like, just achieving restful states in between, especially in this, if you are going to be for the next 6 months, you are going to be in a state of labor, you're going to be in a state of putting your head down and doing the work diligently. Okay, definitely you will need to incorporate rest and a state of restfulness, a state of, peace, a state of just stillness into your regime, and you're going to be blessed with that as well. Okay, so, know that great things can happen simply by allowing ourselves to be still at certain times. Okay, so we don't always have to be on the go, we don't always have to be doing things constantly being in action mode. Okay, so just know that as well, that sometimes just being in a state of non-action can give great results as well. Okay, can yield great outcomes as well. Okay, so allow yourself that, because you're being blessed with that. Let's look at one thing you might struggle with. To be fair, 38. So you may struggle with feeling like, things were not fair, or you were given the short end of the deal, or whatever panned out in your life over the last few months or in the next 6 months, uh, that is not really in a fair balance. Okay, so you may struggle with that. You may struggle to see the uh, equilibrium, the justice, the cause of law in effect in certain situations in your life, or you may feel like certain things, you have certain injustice has been done to you. You may feel like that as well. You may struggle with that as well. Ask yourself though, is that true? Because your card is integrity, or is it that you have been that with somebody else? Yeah, so that could also be something you're struggling with. If you have been unjust or unfair to somebody, that struggle you might also experience for yourself, Gemini, because you got integrity to work on. So therefore I'm saying that, so it could work either ways. Yeah, all right, let's look at how you might close June 2022. What is going on, Gemini? I'm giving it one last shuffle. Loyal heart. Beautiful card, beautiful way to end the mid-year or close the mid-year. So towards June 2022, Gemini, you will experience the loyalty of people who matter to you. Somebody or some people or some connections that you have in your life, they will prove that they are completely loyal to you. Okay, that they have complete allegiance to you. They only have their best interest, your best interest in their heart, at their heart. Okay, at the heart of whatever they're doing. Okay. So if you struggle with some injustice done to you, especially, okay, don't worry. Towards the end of the mid-year, towards the end of June, you're going to be experiencing a a devoted, loyal connection or connections which bring in a lot of meaning, a lot of integrity into your life as well. Okay, nice way to close mid-year. Okay, let's get clarifiers. Page of Wands and a chopwood. So yeah, also being childlike, so also just expanding your perspective, looking at things from from a childlike eye. Yeah. uh, and also just enjoying this the more innocent things, the more fresh things about your job, about your work. That's your energy. Okay, so you're open to learning, you're open to expanding your perspective, you're open to experiencing joy and wonder in whatever it is that you're doing, and that's a beautiful energy to be in, Gemini. So please stay in that energy. Okay. The world tree, everybody's getting the world card a lot as well, so it looks like mastering of lessons is being done in the next year. Beautiful card to get. Blessing. Lessons have been learned, they've been mastered, you've completed circles, you've completed cycles in your life, Gemini. You could have closed out karmic cycles as well in your life, and therefore the rest, the state of non-action, the state of being still, is being blessed to you, is being given to you. Okay, so beautiful energy again to have. Some of you could also be traveling, which will also help you to rejuvenate. That also could be a blessing for some of you. You could just be taking a holiday or going out somewhere, traveling somewhere for a holiday for recuperation, and that is another blessing that you will have over the next 6 months. Beautiful blessing. Three of Pentacles under your to be fair. Okay, so although you may feel that either injustice has been done to you or you have been unfair or unjust to somebody else, uh, either you'll struggle with taking help to resolve that. Either that could happen, or somebody could come in and give you guidance in terms of how to either let that go so that you may move ahead, learning those lessons and then being more uh, practicing more integrity thereon. Or somebody could come in to give you some support, some advice that will help you to see the situation or see that equation or see that circumstance in a more balanced manner. Okay, so whatever your struggles may be towards this injustice or this something unfair that was done to you or you did to somebody else, there will be support given to you for you to be able to see it in the right light. Okay, Gemini, so not a very heavy struggle, I would say. Beautiful card to get. Ace of Pentacles, and you got the Harvest, which is the Judgment card. Towards June 2022. So I don't know, some of you could get married, Gemini, towards June 2022. Some of you could experience a spiritual connection towards June 2022. Nonetheless, this is going to bring in a lot of grounding to you. What did I say? This loyal heart is going to be, people who are connections who have your best interest at their heart, and you will know this, and they will help you to be more in a place of integrity. They will help you to ground your lessons also. So generally, at even in your home front, even at your home, you will just experience a whole lot of genuine, authentic soul connection, okay, in your home environment as well, Gemini. So beautiful way to, some of you might get married, so beautiful way to close out the mid-year. Nice cards. Really nothing for you guys to worry about, Gemini. I think next 6 months are going to be really nice, light, nothing even heavy, not a lot of work to be done at your end. Just learn lessons and be integrated going forward in your life. Okay, let's get one blessing. Mahadev Shiva is blessing you. Sexual prowess, union with a good marriage partner. What did I say? Some of you might get married. Detachment from life's unexpected changes, and numerous benefits from worldly enjoyment to liberation. So beautiful blessings coming your way as well over the next 6 months, Gemini. All right, I hope this helped you guys, and you guys have a great rest of December. Have a fantastic new year. Happy New Year to you guys, and I will see you guys next year.